This is
D and D and counting.
I love you.
I love you too, mommy.
What up? What up? What up, D&D Account family? It's your girl, Denisha. And I'm back with another video. So, if you don't know, now you know. We in Austin, Texas. Still buzzing, right, babe?
Yeah.
He think I'm so hilarious. Like, I'm so funny to him. But anyways, make a long story short, we had so much fun last night that we had to wake up at 12. Let's make that short. We just now getting out. It's 3:22. The sun go down at 6:12. Right now we're trying to find something to eat so that I don't have the bubbles when I try to consume alcohol. So we finna check out this little decent little taco spot that we had rolled past yesterday. See what that's about. We're not gonna do the breakfast thing. It's low-key late to get breakfast. But one thing I noticed about being in Austin is that a lot of their like food places don't open up till like 4 or 5, and then they close around like 10 or 11. So they really just being open for like 5 or 6 hours. Why, I'm not sure, but those spots be making me like, we got to go there because they food gonna be good. So we waiting till like, what time you want to go and eat again? Like 6?
Yeah, like 6 or 7.
Yeah, we're gonna eat again around 6 or 7. We're gonna sightsee for a little bit. We finna hop on these scooters. I'm so excited to get on the scooters. Like, we should never even got a rental because I feel like the scooters are more convenient. But we need the car to get to the more farther places. And them scooters be taxing, don't they? Them bitches expensive. I mean, right, them things are expensive. Yeah, they definitely money makers. New investment. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. I dropped my phone in this car somewhere. I can't even get it out. I'm getting a little chubby wubby out right there. Might need to work out. That's part of my goal this year too. My 2021 goal is to work out more, to be more healthier. Remember, guys, what we supposed to do today: love, peace, and happiness. Try to succeed with at least one of them today. We are currently trying to find a park so that we can get on the scooters. Even though we can drive there, I just rather get on the scooters because the scooters are fun. It's probably like 5 blocks from our hotel. We picked the best hotel because we right off 6th Street. And when I say 6th and 7th Street, bussin'.
I'm gonna park right there.
No, it's clearly say no parking.
I parked right there like literally 4 or 5 times.
You never parked right
yes,
there.
Yes, I did.
Babe. Out there.
Alright, get out.
Chris just think he can park and no parking.
Bro, I'm not paying for parking this whole time.
Really?
Yeah, get us, man.
Okay, but my phone is in the car. Fun fact, guys. I have on like this little mini dress, and I never had a dress this short in my life. Like, I used to not like wearing short dresses because I like to be comfortable. Definitely, like, if I go out, if I have on a dress, it'll be like more of a longer dress. I like them bodycon dresses, but this one is a little bit short. But I don't think I really like them. Like, I don't really like short dresses. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you can see it, if it's a good, yeah, it's like a little bit, it's not nowhere near my knees. I think my butt is like super big. That's what makes me so uncomfortable with this dress. But yeah, we currently waiting for Chris to find my phone. He in the car trying to find the phone. He loves me so much. I love, and I love a person that loves me as much as Chris loves me. He shows it constantly. It's like something that he don't be like fake with or like try to hide or anything. Like, it's true love. It's real love. Like, yeah. It feels so good. Back at home, it would have been like -4 right now, right? Back at home, it would have been like -4, right? It would have been cold. It would have been like 20.
20, 35 degrees, -4.
It would have been too cold for me. So, with that being said, Austin is feeling lovely. The weather is treating me nice and everything. So, yeah. Eat. Hold on, you didn't see my baby Joe. Okay guys, so we about to take care of some business and we'll get back at you guys. Okay guys, we are currently at our taco spot. And I guess these like the menus here. We got chicken, pork, fish, sides, backdoor chicken, brunch. Got the drinks here. Let me get, sure, I get a Coke. Why not? Why not? And then I think I'm gonna get I'm gonna get some queso blanco. Okay guys, we are here at the outlet mall. I think it's in Rock. What is it? Rocky Rock? Somewhere in Texas. But this mall got some little nice looking stuff on the outside. It's a little outlet. We see Nike. We see White House Black Market. We see Puma. We see Polo. We see Express. We see oh, these lines is nasty though. Look at this. Look, COVID not playing. Bet you want us to go in Nike?
Yeah, you can come back.
Okay, so we're gonna come back because this line doing too much for the Nike line. I really just wanted to get some pants or whatever with a shirt. So we're gonna look and see what we got there. Hot Topics. I used to go there when I was younger. I was in like high school. I used to go there and get like belly button rings, nose rings, little stuff like that. They got the Disney store. Maybe we can buy the kids some stuff. Rule 21. I probably can find some nice pants out of Rule 21. I haven't been in forever. Since I was a kid. We got the Edge. I thought that was only a Chi-Town store. Aeropostale. Oh, this Finish Line week.
Is it on you or on us?
No, it's on me.
Oh.
It's definitely not gonna be on y'all.
I was gonna do something.
Oh, well, let me put it on you then. Go crazy. What's up? I'm a YouTuber.
You a YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Okay, what's your YouTube name?
It's DNZ and Counting. I'm gonna write it down for you.
Okay. I ain't got no YouTube, but I got Twitter at TreyTempleton.com.
That's how you got Twitter? No IG, Facebook?
My IG is Trey_Trey60. Yeah.
That's how you got Trey?
I can't remember my Snap name.
Damn, he messing up, y'all.
I can't pull it out.
He messing up. Make sure you subscribe, follow him. You know, show him some love. He in Austin. Or you need to get some shoes, hit him up. Finish Line. What is that? This Rock?
Round Rock.
It's called Round Rock. Make sure y'all subscribe to them. No problem. Give them a shout out, guys. Show they page some love. Let's see what we got. We got the Van store here. We got something that's called PacSun.
Remember the PacSun?
No, what is that?
It's like an urban store. Come on.
Oh, urban. Let's see. I like the urban. I like the urban. What up, gang? So, We are back at the hotel. I actually had bought some clothes because my dress I had on, I just felt like it was too short. You remember I was telling you guys, like, I never wore a dress that was that short in my life, and I wasn't feeling that. It was just too short for me. I wasn't comfortable come bend over or whatever. And plus, I want to party, so I didn't wear it. But I bought a crop top. Where we get this from? Rule 21? Mm-hmm. And then I got these pants from, what was that store called? Something Los Angeles. And I tell you one thing, these pants was expensive.
How much was that?
Like $69.
For this work?
I don't know. I mean, I feel like they just regular quality pants. But anyways, I was gonna step in the Louis V's or the Uggs. And we going on a strip, guys, so just keep that in mind. So I don't know. What you think, baby?
No.
The Uggs, I was kind of feeling the Uggs too. It's more of like free, I can run, I can dance, and the Louis V's is more like, you know, trying to look cute. I ain't doing too much because you can't step on my shoes. But to get to these ones, I'm so disappointed in these shoes. To think that I got them for a gift and it was so much money. And they hurt. They hurt bad. My Louis shoes, every single pair of them, never hurt it. So Louis did not disappoint me. I kind of figured these Christian Dior shoes gonna kind of hurt, cause they more of like Converses, right? They got these Converse style, right? The little short style.
That's the same style as that, isn't it?
No, it's not.
Okay.
I feel like okay, what do you guys think? I feel like these shoes are Converse style. They are not the same as these shoes. The shoes that I have on now is more of like gym shoes.
Not Converse style.
Right, not Converse style. But yeah, I think I'm gonna rock with the Uggs, but leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what shoe you think that I should put on. But I'm gonna stay with the Uggs though, because, you know, I'm trying to throw back some bottles, okay? So, yeah. What we are about to do right now, baby.
We're gonna take this 15-minute nap and we're gonna leave.
Nap? We ain't about to take no nap. He on some other stuff. We about to go. We about to go outside or something, or get some food. In the mall, my stomach was boiling. And I'm like, it was some tacos. I feel like they put stuff on tacos that you weren't supposed to put on tacos. Like, I had like queso cheese, corn, guacamole, all type of stuff. You ain't supposed to put on tacos. Don't get me wrong, it was good.
Did you just say you ain't supposed to put queso cheese, guacamole, or corn on tacos?
No, I'm not used to that. Okay. I'm not used to those type of tacos.
Okay. Ask your viewers, is that right?
Okay, viewers, is that right? How do you supposed to eat your tacos? Do you supposed to have all that on your tacos? Me, personally, I just like a little bit of cheese, you know, sour cream, or ranch. And that's that with the meat.
You said ranch?
Yeah. Is you saying ranch don't go on tacos?
In fact, you said ranch is a more common topping compared to like something like queso cheese. You said.
Chris is a hater, okay?
You said.
Because Chris is saying that ranch don't go on tacos. Who like ranch on their tacos? Let me know, y'all. Because guess what? I love me some ranch on my tacos and my pizza. Do you like ranch on your pizza?
Yeah, my tacos.
Right, I turned him out. He used to be like, ranch ruins the pizza. You don't put ranch on pizza. Now he like, baby, make my pizza the way you make your pizza. Be dressing it up. Be dressing it up. And then once he try ranch on these tacos, he gonna be loving it too. You hear me?
My stomach don't even say that.
Really?
Hell no.
Well, I like Ranch on tacos, but those tacos was doing a little bit too much for me. I didn't even really finish my tacos. I didn't even eat my burger taco. I had like a hamburger taco and I didn't even bite it. Chris did. What taco did you like the best, baby?
Korean pork.
The Korean pork one. He liked the pork taco. But yeah, guys, Chris laughing at me. What you got to say? Speak up or forever hold your peace.
I ain't eat my hamburger.
I ain't eat my hamburger one. A hamburger taco, it had pickles, lettuce, bacon.
Ain't nobody tell you no hamburger taco.
Your ass said order that hamburger taco. You said try that one, baby. He seen the word bacon. Oh, baby, try that one. And I ain't even, for $5.50, I ain't even bite it. It's crazy. But yeah, guys, I wish everybody peace, love, and happiness, you know. I hope you guys been meditating and praying, you know, getting spiritually connected. Do you hear me? If it's just getting spiritually connected with the universe, you know. What you put out is what you receive type stuff, you know. Cleans that energy. Don't be around toxic people that make you angry, you know. Share love, share peace, share happiness. I love my DNZ account family, like, but y'all need to be like more interacting. Like, y'all just comment, tell me, like, girl, I like your makeup today or something. It's Mac. Oh, girl, I like your hair. Pink ribbon extensions. Oh, girl, where you get your nails done? Pamper by Christian. Oh, girl, you know, something. You know what I'm saying? But I'm up out of here, baby. I love the whole DNZ and Count family. I appreciate y'all. But count it up for me. Deuces. Deuces. Peace.